Nokia and HPE have been important partners in our journey to adopt CloudRAN. By adopting CloudRAN, Bell Canada expects to use network openness and programmability to better support our company's transformation from a traditional telco to a technology services leader. This cloudified and open RAN architecture will bolster our technology ecosystem, strengthen the control we have over our network, and increase innovation overall. Through open interfaces, we can disaggregate the RAN, we can decouple software and hardware, we can reduce CapEx and OpEx, we can realize energy efficiencies, limit GHG emissions, and ultimately allow for new commercial offerings with a cloud at the far edge. We will use this technology to reduce costs and simplify operations through improved network performance and resiliency, eliminate unnecessary network burdens, reduce technology investment cycles, which will allow us to access better technology sooner, and transition from a traditional vendor model to a partner model where we collaborate closely with our partners. We envision a cloud-native solution that is flexible, scalable, resilient, and intent-based, allowing deployments in multiple private and public clouds. We built our plan with the end in mind. We purposely began our implementation slowly to ensure our entire team was engaged throughout our journey. But for a smooth transition that doesn't compromise our customer experience, Bell will maintain a hybrid architecture with CloudRAN coexisting with our existing purpose-built RAN. This approach would allow us to leverage our existing deployment strategies, our tools, our existing investments to develop a simpler operational environment. While we eagerly anticipate savings from CloudRAN, we are still navigating the complexity of this new cloudified and open environment. So while our joint pilot between HPE and Nokia began this year, we used our original proof of concept vRAN trial from 2022. We deployed a full field test cluster with a CloudRAN architecture and a Nokia VCU in one of our many Bell data centers. We used a generic HPE compute platform for RAN functions with the Nokia SmartNIC and inline accelerator. We evaluated the performance to ensure parity between purpose-built RAN and our CloudRAN environments. Ultimately, we aimed to demonstrate the scalability with traffic growth. We also wanted to test resiliency and resource pooling for both CU and DU nodes with this new cloud architecture. While it's too early to share details, I'm happy to report that the testing is progressing well.
CloudRAN, one of my favorite topics because it calls for innovation. Many years ago, we started this journey or this adventure because we wanted to have the reward of the adventure by saying, yes, we want to be part of this overall journey with all the different partners in this ecosystem. Innovation is a key pillar of Hewlett-Packard Enterprise DNA. The partnership that we created a long time ago allowed us to be able to merge the two worlds of the IT and its benefits, where we've been able to demonstrate our technology capabilities, the processes that we've been able to implement in the field with our customers, and the same equivalent from the telecom space. And CloudRAN is one of those areas of convergence where both best of the both worlds are merging together. We talk about ecosystem. What does it mean? Ecosystem can mean a minestrone soup where everybody does whatever they can, or it can mean something that is organized towards a goal. And that's where we are committed. And that's where the ecosystem of partners that we are seeing now being convergent to a very specific but still open focus. We've been demonstrating that in North America with the pioneers, in other regions of the world, that the cloudification of the RAN will bring innovation. It will bring such an innovation in a secured manner that now that the solution is available, you can have different sources of revenue in the same time that you reduce the cost. And that's easy to say, it's not easy to execute. And that's what we are demonstrating now. You have different capabilities of reducing the cost thanks to the choice that the CloudRAN is delivering to the market and to the customers. That choice is also enabling new applications, new workloads, and of course, AI is there. AI is there because it will help in reducing the cost with optimization, but it will also help to create the environment to generate revenue. AI without Cloud Run is going to be extremely difficult to execute because of the needed latency. All this technology needs that AI will require in order to be effective. Cloud Run will enable it. It's available now. We see it in the market. The market is ready. The market is embracing it. The deployments are started. AI is going to be able to be hosted in this environment. I'm super excited about Hewlett Packard Enterprise being a foundation of this new innovation.
What are the key drivers for RAN cloudification? When we talk to our customers, operators, we hear different aspects, different motivations from them. One is linked with partner or solution flexibility. Another one is linked with network operations or automation savings. Or it could be coming from the new business model, new areas of business that they can get into with cloudification like anyRAN or new enterprise channels. At Nokia, when we introduced the anyRAN as a concept, we built it based on flexibility and openness. So we started working with our key industry stakeholders like HPE, Dell, Red Hat, and hyperscalers like AWS, Microsoft, Google. We started building the solutions together with our R&D co-working. We can work with any silicon platforms like x86 or ARM, and we are working closely with the NVIDIA. We can also work with any CAS players like Red Hat or WindRiver or AWS or any of the hyperscale provided CAS options as well. So bringing all these different partners' solutions together, we are able to bring the feature parity and performance consistency, which is comparable with our purpose-built solution. Because we believe this is extremely critical for introducing Cloud RAN into a commercial network. And I'm very pleased to say that we have the commercial solution available with the Cloud RAN and ready to roll out in different markets with the different customers now. And we are working with many of our customers, done the POCs and trials and pilots, and we have seen it, how seamlessly this is working with their existing network, how the feature parity and performance is achieved, which is comparable to the purpose-built. We are proud to partner with our customers like Bell and others in this transformation journey. Now, looking beyond, we see the trend in the AI. It's a really hot topic across the industry. And you have seen the announcement which we have done on anyRAN. So one of the big questions which comes to the table for discussion is, how do you monetize the Cloud RAN? Or how do you monetize the infrastructure? And this could be an answer to that question. anyRAN has the potential to really become a big monetization platform for the future. Basically with the multi-cloud infrastructure with potentially both AI and RAN workloads running on the same infra, which not only provides this cost optimization, but also providing the new business opportunities for our CSPs. Like you can think of it as GPU as a service or AI as a service for enterprises. So we are truly excited to be a part of this great innovation journey for the future.